everybody, Merry Christmas Eve. I cannot believe it's Christmas Eve. I'm here with my gin and tonic and my glacés, Her Ladyship. Gary bought me this when we went on holiday. I am so excited to do this video. I've just got out the bath. I have my very Christmassy pyjamas on. So it's about 6 o'clock. I've got my little antlers on because it's Christmas Eve. There's no better time to wear them. Which means, because it's Christmas Eve, I now have to open the rest of my Cult Beauty Advent Calendar. So I actually haven't touched this since my last video, which was when I showed you day 1 to 12. So I have day 13 to 24 in here, and yeah, I'm very excited to open it up, see what's in there. I don't even know what's in there. I've got no makeup on because I've obviously just had a bath, but I thought I could maybe try on some of the products if there's anything in there that I could use right now, and yeah, just enjoy this little Christmassy video. And hopefully you'll see this today, because the plan is to drink my gin and tonic, edit this video, make dinner, and get Christmassy, festive, and all that good stuff. So let's jump into it. Right, I'm just going to jump in. Day 13. Ooh, okay. The AUGUSTINUS. It's a prebiotic balancing mask. I need a new face mask. AUGUSTINUS, this is a full-size product. It says balancing, hydrating and detoxifying. This magical mask helps to ward against breakouts. I'm very excited to try this. As I said, I'm in need of another mask. I did buy a new Sand and Sky face mask, but I've already run out of that, so very excited to try that. So number 14. Number 14 is Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil, and this is 8ml, and it's for nourishing and balance. Packed with antioxidants and nourishing omegas, this elasticizing blend protects and fortifies. I don't think this is a full-size product, but I'm very excited to try this out. I do love face oil, so yeah. Exciting times. Number 15. Oh, lovely. AUGUSTINUS Beta. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. How beautiful is this packaging, by the way? This is a hydrating rich cream. What type of cream though? It doesn't say whether this is a full-size product. It does say a discovery size. I'm guessing that means it's like a sample size to see if you like it. Fueled by the game-changing TFC8 complex, this iconic cream works to trigger renewal. I mean, love that for the new year. New year, new skin and all that. Lovely, beautiful packaging. Day 16. What's this one? Ooh, okay. Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I've heard of Glow Recipe, but I've never tried anything from them. Cute little pot. They're really sweet. Banana though, I can't quite imagine anything worse than a banana face cream. With its light fluffy texture, this buffet of minerals plumps as it shields from aggressors. And this is a travel size pot. I'll give it a try. I mean, it's a really cute packaging. Just the thought of having banana on my face, I don't know, but you never know, it might be lovely. Day 17. Oh. 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster Illuminator. So this is a travel size product. The Silky Elixir Booster, no, the Silky Elixir boasts real golden extracts to instantly brighten and boost circulation. There is a lot of like skin boosters in this advent calendar this year. I don't know if it was the same last year. I just found there's a lot of skincare products, and I personally maybe would have liked a bit more makeup in my advent calendar, but I do find that I'm being introduced to brands I've never heard of, which is super exciting. So yeah, there's this one, day 17, day 18. Ooh, oh, there's quite a few bits in this one. Okay, what we got, Okay, so I think they're like maybe testers. So first of all we have It Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, which looks like this. It's like a little sample of their mascara. Is that It Cosmetics? Yeah. I've never tried anything from It Cosmetics, but my friend Lucy swears by their concealer, so very excited to try that. We have By Terry Ombre Black Star Colour Fix Cream Eyeshadow. Exciting. This is definitely travel size. This would not be full size, but this is what that looks like. I'm excited that drawer number 18 had loads of products in there. Have a look. Oh, it's nice. It's like a really nice, like, if you can see that, if it won't focus on my face. This is a really nice bronzy colour. By Terry is a really expensive product. There's me talking about makeup and this whole drawer's full of makeup. Seems like they heard me. Also in door number 18 we had Too Faced Lip Injection Instant Long Term Lip Plumper. Ooh, I need a lip plumper. I'd like more fuller lips but without the injections. Oh, it tastes nice. Do they look fuller? Probably not, no. Door number 19. Oh, I think the gods heard me because there's more makeup. This is something I'm very excited about. NATASHA DENONA Bloom Highlighting Blush. It looks like it's the type of shade I like. I really like a peachier blusher. That's really nice. Look at that. Cute packaging. Super cute blusher. Nice. How amazing is that packaging? Oh, it's starting to tingle a little bit. Maybe it's my lips getting a bit juicy. Very excited for that one. Door number 20. We have Dr. Dennis Gross Stress Rescue Super Serum. Oh, lovely. I'm definitely going to need this. It's definitely starting to do something. It does look a bit plumper. Interesting. So, a soothing blend to calm and reassure. This serum supplements your skin's defences. Oh, I might give this a whirl now. Gary might like this one. If it's for stress, it might actually help. It'd be great in the new year when we go back to work and things go crazy busy again. Lovely. I really like the packaging on that as well. That blue is just incredible. I might try some of this rich face cream as well when I'm at it. Why not? I like the pump. It's quite thick, this face cream. Doesn't smell of anything. Lovely. There we go. Feels really hydrating. Lovely. With my full lips, actually they feel plumper. I think they look a bit plumper as well. Day 20, draw 21 or draw 21. I dropped it. We have Suzanne Kaufmann Kitten Spray, Pillow Spray, Calming Pillow Spray. That's exciting. There is a lot in here around well-being as well, which is, I do really like that. There is a really nice sleep balm that I've got in the bedroom that I've been using from, I can't remember what day it was that I got that. And it's lovely, look, it's really relaxing. And I do like a pillow spray. We use This Works pillow spray. So I'm excited to try this. Laced with soothing lavender, spritz of this will smooth your route towards a blissful slumber. I mean, we all need a good night's sleep. I might use this tonight. Get a good night's sleep before Christmas Day. Exciting. Oh my god, there's 25 days. I thought there was only 24 days. I'm going to open tomorrow's. Like 22. Ooh, Jordan Samuel Retinol Treatment Oil. Oh, I need some more retinol. Retinol is really great for anti-aging. It's a full-size bottle and this is encouraging regeneration. This lessens fine lines to leave skin more refined. I 100% need this in my life. I have started using a lot of anti-aging products now, so I'm excited to give this one a whirl and add that to my collection. So, perfect. Day number 23. Oh, there you are. Ooh, oh yeah. Love a bit of Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury Kissing from the Lipstick Tree lipstick. What shade? Oh, Stone Rose. I haven't got that one. Oh, it's very much my type of shade. That is beautiful. I might wear that tomorrow, but that is stunning. Door number 24. Ooh. So cute. It's a candle. It's a Jojo Loves Fig Trees candle. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells lovely. Perfect. Right. I know it's Christmas Eve, but I only thought there was 24 drawers in here. Sorry, not doors. So I'm going to open door number 25, even though that's for tomorrow, but yeah. It's a big old drawer, look at that. And it's full of goodies. So what do we have? We've got a Patchology Little Helper Energy, and this is one dietary supplement strip. I don't have a clue. That is full size. This soluble strip puts a spring in your step when the seasonal circuit is taking its toll. I don't know if I'd ever use that. We'll see. I need to do some research into that, but I've never heard of them before. We have a Larry King hair care, a social life for your hair. This is a travel size product, a Does It All finishing cream. This works to tame strays, promote shine and enhance definition. Love that. Summer Fridays Overtime Mask. Did see that. This is a full size product. Clearing the clutter, this polishes skin with ground apricot powder and brightening enzymes. Oh, it's for the skin. I love the smell of apricot as well. I think it's going to be lovely. Very, very nice. Just pop you there. There's no room. There's just a lot in here. Oh, a nude stick. Oh, I love nude sticks. NUDESTIX Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in the shade Belle. This quick and convenient stick is jam-packed with conditioning plum coloured pigment. This is for your lip and cheek. I usually just use these on my lips. I do have eye ones and I prefer powder on my cheeks, but beautiful. I do love NUDESTIX. We have a Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek product as well. This is obviously just like a tester. I have had a full size of Milk. I didn't like it personally, but I will try it again. Why not? And finally, we have a Huda Beauty palette in Topaz Obsessions, it's called. I don't think I've got this one. Oh, I actually think I might have this one. If I do, I will be gifting this. I do already have this palette, so I actually will be doing a competition for this one and gifting this away because I already have it, so I don't need another one. And that is it. So that is it, my lovely friends. That is the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar. I'm really sorry if you're not on day 25 yet and you've watched this video. Apologies for spoiling it. And I can't believe I actually did a video without wearing any makeup, but hey ho. This is how we do it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed finding out the rest of my advent calendar. Thoroughly enjoyed the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar. I think there is a lot of products in there. It's well worth your money. I'm super excited about a lot of these products, but I am really excited about trying the NATASHA Denona Bloom blusher. Do love NATASHA Denona. Her palettes and products are perfection. So yeah, there we are. This lip product as well, I feel like I need to invest in the full size one. My lips, I know I joked, but they do feel a lot plumper. I mean, I well and truly look like a reindeer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an absolutely wonderful Christmas and a happy new year when it arrives. I'm sure I have a video going up between now and New Year anyway, so I will catch you in that video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when my next videos are live. But yeah, have a wonderful Christmas everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye.